Ah, I'm back. Well, you know what time it is. It's that time again. PK here with Out of the Box Monday. I'm feeling much better. Relaxed for the weekend. Got the banana, got the orchid. Anyway, we'll talk quickly. One of the questions I left out, which people ask me, I want to just talk about real quickly today, is the question I get is, PK, what would you do if you only had a few $1,000s to start trading? It's a fair question. Not everybody has, so much money to trade. What would be the best way to get in the game if it was you? If you only had a couple $1,000s, let's say, and you want to get involved in the trading. And to me, the answer is very simple. Number one, open up an account at Robinhood. Okay? Because they have fractional shares, free commission. You're not going to be going short. And what you're going to be doing, you're going to be watching. In fact, I'm waiting to do this myself for my own money, which is you're going to just focus on, if I had $1,000, $2,000 to trade, I would make a screen with my little watch list of only those Wall Street Reddit group, those stocks, AMC, GameStop, all the ones that are moving, Best Buy, whichever in play. They tell you there's maybe 10 of them, and just trade those, because you remember you got 10 million subscribers. These people have proven they can move the market. Why screw around with anything else? And you can say, well, PK, should I buy options too? Look, buying options. We all know, we've read so many stories. These people, they take their 1,000. It's a gamble, because they're buying with a week to go or 2 weeks to go, and the timing. You can miss out the timing. You can get lucky, and you can turn this $1,000 into 20,000. We've read it 20 times, 50 times. We've read so many stories. But forget about that. You want to take a couple option trades, and they're gambles buying those calls. But you could catch it. And you could really pull up on these. But the point is, I want to tell you, just follow those stocks, because everyone's watching them. And you can buy small amount of shares, free trading. You can do it on your phone. Listen, this is what I want to do this, because on a big scale, I want to have a stock account, but I need a couple $100,000. I want to hold. Remember, I like to hold these things. I won't be buying options, but I'll hold them for a weekend, and the margin is much higher to hold these stocks. But anyway. So number one, open up at Robinhood. No problem there. Number two, just follow those Reddit group stocks that we read about, that they tell you what everyone's watching. And you see, you could probably buy a little bit across the board and sit there. Well, yeah, you don't have the you couldn't fractional shares. You could probably sit there and build a whole portfolio just on those 10 stocks or 12 stocks, whatever the number, how exactly there are. But to me, this is where I'd be putting 100% of my attention. What do I see people doing? Number one, they're fooling with, they want to fool with the Bitcoin or the Dogecoin and the micro contracts and the ES. They want to go this way. Listen, you want to do this, first of all, you're going to pay the commission is much higher. You're getting screwed. This is something, if you want to practice on your simulation, that if you really want to make money, this is what PK would do. If I had $1,000, $2,000, I would be just following them. But you don't need anything else, because when those things move, you see what happens. So why fool around with anything else? Why? I don't care what the charts look like and the patterns. We want to be around things that have high volatility and then are moving, and everyone is watching. And a bunch of small investors, the retail people, which is the first time. I think this is actually, I did a video about this, saying I think this is the best edge of stock trading since I started trading, and I might hit it. I'm furious. I wish I was in it. I don't have the money. I got all my money in the futures, but I want to pull some money and get this thing going. So again, forget about the Bitcoin for now, because I don't think it's necessary. Maybe listen, you could do the Bitcoin, I guess, with Robinhood too, but the problem is with the Bitcoin is you'll see the spread. It's like you're minus $800 before you break even. You know, it's not just about the commission. This is the problem with the Bitcoin. Unless you're trading on the Bitcoin futures, you have a lot of money. I'm not trading. I've not made one Bitcoin trade on the mercantile. So anyway, do this. And you will have the best chance of success. And maybe you might catch some of those. You can make a few trades, make a little money, and buy some of these options for 100 shares and catch it. And really pull up. And then next thing you know, and then on the side, have your simulation. Work on your ES trading or NASDAQ or whatever you want to trade for the longer term. But right now, I'm telling you, the opportunity is in those Wall Street rated stocks. Forget about everything else. Anyway, 6 minutes, like how fast I am. This PK with Out of the Box. I wish everybody have a great week. Let's see what happens in the market. Follow those Reddit, can't even say it, Reddit stocks. You guys, ciao.